When I was challenged by my friends to make a gourmet meal that is truly delicious in less than 15 minutes, I took that challenge seriously. And in today's episode, I'm gonna show you in 3 quick sections how I grilled the chicken, cooked the most delicious cold antipasti, and charred the asparagus to win the challenge and leave everyone speechless. Start by removing the leaves from the rosemary sprig and chop them to release full flavor. Place them in a bowl and press 2 cloves of garlic. Squeeze half a lemon and add 3 grams or half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and mix. And this is gonna be your marinade for the chicken. Now cut off the tenderloin from a large sized chicken breast and split it into half. Cover with plastic wrap and flatten using a meat tenderizer. Flattening the chicken will make it absorb more marinade, become tender, and cook evenly. To make the final dish look professional, square the chicken pieces and keep the trims on the side. I will show you in one of the upcoming episodes on Food Basics Reinvented how to use these chicken offcuts to make super delicious chicken nuggets that will blow your mind before your kids. Place the chicken in the bowl and soak the pieces in the marinade. Cover with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge just until you finish the cold antipasti. To make the most delicious cold antipasti, chop 1 shallot and cut the leaves of 1 rosemary sprig. Add a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil in a medium-sized fry pan and raise the heat until the oil starts smoking. If you start cooking the mushrooms before the pan gets hot, the mushrooms will boil, not saute, and they will lose their taste. So once the pan gets hot enough, add 85 grams of button mushrooms and saute for a couple of minutes. As the button mushrooms crackle and after they get a darker golden color, add the chopped shallot and cook until translucent. The shallots will give the button mushrooms a sweet flavor. If you try to use onions instead, they will be too harsh and acidic and they will ruin the flavor of these delicate mushrooms. Finally and quickly, add the rosemary leaves, squeeze half a lemon, sprinkle some salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Turn off the heat and let these beautiful button mushrooms cool down on the side. To make super delicious charred asparagus, start by chopping off the woody parts that nobody likes to eat. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Press a clove of garlic and mix. Now that the asparagus is ready, go ahead and get the chicken out of the fridge and let's start grilling. Put your grill pan on high heat, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and when it starts smoking, begin grilling the first side of the chicken, and place the asparagus on the side. After a minute, flip the chicken to grill the other side, then flip 2 more times and change the direction of the chicken to create professional looking grill marks. These chicken pieces have cooked to perfection in less than 4 minutes, and they smell amazing from the lemon, garlic, and rosemary marinade. Get the chicken off the pan and squeeze half a lemon on the hot asparagus to give it another layer of beautiful citrusy flavor. Turn off the heat and remove the asparagus and get ready to astonish everyone with this amazing dish. If you want your dish to look beautiful and professional, make it simple. Just stack the crispy asparagus on one side, then skew the 2 pieces of chicken on it. Then pile the sauteed button mushrooms on the other side and let's dig in. Let's start with the antipasti. Wow, these cold button mushrooms are so delicious. They have beautiful sweet notes from the shallot and fragrance from the rosemary that makes these mushrooms very, very appetizing. This is one of the foods that you can't really explain how good it is. You gotta try this yourself to experience how it tastes. The chicken here is so tender and full of flavor. It's citrusy and garlicky. And the rosemary, which is known as the chicken best companion, really did a magical job and made this chicken smell and taste incredible. Please try this recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. I hope you liked this episode. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appétit!